guys, welcome to the WeCoach channel. My name is John Cafiro. We are outside of Dollar General where we've just discovered some clearance. It's actually not clearance items. It's items that they're getting ready to liquidate and remove from the shelves, all ringing up just 50 cents. So we're going to go inside and check that out now. See you on the inside. About to see the penny deals in Dollar General. Kids shoes. Where are those? These here. The green square. So all these 50 cents. Clearance them out as they get ready to liquidate. These are supposed to be pulled from the shelf, so this is like a hidden sale. It's a hidden sale, so we're gonna grab these. Green square, $5 normally. Comes up, hold up, 50 cents. More green square.
This one. $7.
Normally
It's the
$7.
normal. And then 50 cents. This one.
50 cents, that's nice. It's used for anything with the green dot. Coming up, 50 cents.
50 cents. All green is 50 cents.
Here's more green dot. Try this one. Try that one. Oh, still. 50 cents. Do we want that? More green squares. Blue dots I tried. Here's more. This one. Skin this one. It's like a little kid slipper. $50 cents. 50 cents. See more? Green square?
I don't know.
No.
Let me see. $5.
$5 now.
Okay.
So this is a handbag.
Wait.
1 penny. Blue dot, 1 penny. That's interesting. Any more handbags? There's some up there. That's a nice handbag for 1
Maybe
penny.
look like this one's the space.
Hold on. No doubt. So dots indicate items that they don't keep on the shelves. It's just either seasonal stuff or stuff that they bring in temporarily. Here's a bag. No dot. Oh yeah, the blue dot, no, but where'd you find that bag? The 1 penny, and that's what depends on where you are. Sometimes their inventory is 1 penny.
No, this is 8.
So you just have to search and keep looking. And this is all stuff that the employees are supposed to pull from the shelves, and then they send it to a liquidator to liquidate. That was this big. You try this one?
Yeah.
How about this one?
10.
No, no clearance. And this is not a sale item. No, that's blue.
See this?
No, those are cute. There's a blue. Try it, but I was scanning the blue dots, nothing came up.
No, it's 5.
Some yellow dot stuff up there. Cart's loaded. We're just scanning other random items here, looking for other secret sales, secret clearance. You can see here's another code. This one's not on sale, but this is something that they don't always have in inventory, so eventually will be liquidated. Gray star. This one's a silver circle. That's their coding. Blue dot on this one here. This one's blue dot. And you just gotta scan. You don't know when they're gonna liquidate, and this is supposed to be pulled from the shelves and then sent back to their warehouse, but if you grab it, they gotta sell it. So if you get here at the right time, you can get some really good deals. You can see we have a cart full of shoes. This bag, 1 penny. Really nice backpack. Not high quality shoes, but for 50 cents, can't beat it. See anything else? But right now it seems like the shoes, and somehow we grabbed that bag for a penny, and a lot of times it will come up as a penny. About 50 cents, we'll take it. Yeah. Huh? Those are cute. See green?
Sometimes doesn't
Blue
work.
is blue, no. Green dot, just says gray dot.
Jewelry, please.
There's a yellow dot. Here, try this. Yellow dot.
9.50.
Blue dot. These here. Hey guys, so we are back, and Dollar General. So you guys can go. The way I was trying to explain the store, I didn't want to talk too loud because this is stuff that the employees should have pulled from the shelves and go on to a liquidator or wherever they liquidate their goods. So they have these little codes. So today the square green. But you can check in your store's square green right now. I'm going to upload this video hopefully tonight, if not tomorrow. So check, and it was the one pocketbook or backpack we got. So not high-end shoes, just $7 normally, about 50 cents. So we'll be able to sell these. We're going to open up our thrift store soon. So we got a couple of pairs of these. We kind of cleared out. And we could have went to other Dollar Generals as well and did the same thing and got more, because there's like really 3 real close to me. They're real close together. So here's some little slippers for a little girl. So nothing like super high end, but like we could sell that probably for $5, maybe $2, $3. But again, we're only paying 50 cents for it. Probably could stick this on eBay and try it, but you're not going to get much. Maybe $10, and you know it's not going to be much profit there. Here's another pair. I'm going to go really quick here. So there's some similar ones, but in pink, similar to the white ones. I think it's identical. Yeah, they are identical to the white ones. Let me throw those over here. So, you know, maybe you just need some stuff. Now, we also started scanning some food items. There was food items coming up for 50 cents. Some of them a penny. But we didn't need to grab any of that stuff. We were kind of in a hurry, so maybe we'll go back tomorrow and see. So you can see some more slippers. So great deals. Here's some different ones. I'm trying to find some different ones for you guys. And then we found the wands, because sometimes the way they liquidate it goes down to 1 penny. And the penny, again, it's just because it's liquidating. Here's this bag. So this was only 1 penny. This is pretty sweet. It's just really an indicator of they're trying to clear this out. This is not a clearance item. It's not a sale. This is a secret, hidden clear out, because it, again, needs to go to a liquidator, and then they would liquidate, you know, pallets of this stuff. And that's what we normally buy, is pallets. So we really don't need any inventory. But this is a really nice little backpack. For sure. 1 penny. You can't beat that. You can't beat 1 penny. And there's just more and more here. Here's a lot of beach sandals. This is great for, you know, like I said, we're opening a store here pretty soon in the next couple of months. So I really appreciate you guys watching the WeCoach channel. That's what we're all about. We're here to let you in and let you learn from our mistakes or our finds, that you can go out and do the same thing, hopefully by you. So, you know, check your local Dollar General. There's just oodles and oodles of stuff we got here, just bags and bags. So you guys can do this too. It's not too hard. You can buy something for 50 cents. Even if we only got $5 for this, that's 10 times our money. That's pretty good in my book on investment. So do it today. If you have any questions, please drop them down below. And really appreciate you if you can do us a favor and smack that like button and join us and click the follow button. Hope to see you guys on the next one. A lot of stuff coming up. We have pallets coming. We bought some stuff from Amazon. We have more shoe pallets, a lot more videos on the way. Really appreciate you guys being here and being a part of the WeCoach channel, as we are very young and new here on YouTube. Not young, but young on YouTube. And I really appreciate you early birds joining our family here on YouTube on the WeCoach channel. So as I always say, live each breath with passion. Go forward today and make today the best day of your life. When you guys do that every day, you're going to have an amazing, amazing life. You can do this. We believe in you. We got you. WeCoach. We'll see you soon. My name is Sean Cottrell. My wife, Gladys. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.